Safer. And then our next expert is Dr. Jessica Rowe, who we've been working with now for 2 years. And Dr. Rowe and I have become really good friends. And when you become friends with a clinical psychologist, they help you. She's not only my clinical psychologist at trial, but she's my personal clinical psychologist.
Well, that's a big job.
She doesn't know it yet.
She doesn't even know it. Like when we text message and I'm venting to her, and she says to me things like, is there anything else how that makes you feel, Jim? Are you sure there's nothing else going on with not the case, but with you, Jim? So Dr. Rowe, come up here. Come up here. We love you. So the story I love telling about Dr. Rowe.
Thanks for helping, Jim.
I'm like, don't send me a bill for that. But the story I love telling about Dr. Rowe, Renee and I have done a lot of trials. So one of the things that as new attorneys, you get tested and you have to go to trial. And which we've learned is wonderful. It's a wonderful experience. But Renee and I did a trial in Yuba County. And just long story short, the jury awarded our client a lot of money in economic damages, which means Dr. Drouganatos did a great job. And and we did not have an expert on non-economic, which is the emotional distress, and we got zero. The jury awarded us $0. And after that, we said we need to find a clinical psychologist to testify about, because what happens is your clients struggle to articulate emotional distress. And a lot of them hold it in or don't elaborate because it's embarrassing. And so the next time we went to trial, we found Dr. Rowe, and the jury gave us $7.5 million in emotional distress. And so after that, we thought that's a good investment. Very good investment. Yeah, no, whoever said that.